I'm so full of gratitude, y'all. The Lord is having me get on here to let you know He's getting ready to pour out new strategies and abundance. This is big, y'all. This is abundance. Everything that He promised you is coming to pass, y'all. Like, really, He loves you so much. He doesn't want you to sit and weep. He wants you to get up and just glorify His name. Thank Him for the things you don't see. That's what makes and helps the spiritual realm and the promises that He's made you and given you manifest. It's all about Him. It's all about His glory. We don't have this. We don't have that. I understand. He understands. But it's not about us. It's about Him. And He's going to take care of us. He's going to take care of you. He wants you to trust Him. Trust Him. Step out in faith. Take a leap of faith today. As soon as this video hits your ears and your eyes, take a leap of faith. He says, trust me. He says, trust me. I am your Father, and I know all things. I see the struggle, and I know you're hurting, but I got your back. I got you, my child. I've got you, my son. I've got you, my daughter. New strategies. His favor is on your life, and He is taking care of everything you are in need of. He doesn't want you to be sad. He wants you to trust Him. Don't miss the open door. Don't miss the open opportunities that He's placing before you. His word says, come into His gates with thanks of praise, praises of thank you, Father. Thank you for everything, Father, because you are worthy. You are worthy to be praised, Lord. He is worthy.